Hi guys, and welcome to today's fantastic video. We are doing a new kit since it is the 1st of November, and this kit is called A Joyful Journey. I love this kit for so many reasons, and I will get into that. But first, if you want this kit, you can become a subscriber at www.pinkmonarchprints.com, or you can buy it separately so you don't have to do a subscription on our site. But let's jump into this kit a little bit more. Okay, first up is our paper set. Here it is. As you guys can see, there are so many neutrals, grays, creams, browns, sepia, a little bit of black even, and just some really classic patterns, simple patterns. We do have some like more intricate patterns, but anyways, I want to just quickly say why I love this kit so much, and it's because you can take it in any direction that you would like. If you have a fussy cut pack you've been waiting to use, now's the perfect time. If you want to make this a Christmas kit, you can. And if you want to just keep it neutral and use what's in the kit, you are welcome to do that as well because it is super pretty. And these are some random items I didn't really know what to classify as, but I love them. If this isn't really your style, you're welcome to not use it. But if it is, go for it. Those are some fun images, some fun tiny fussy cuts and tickets. Classic to have some circles in your kit. Super wonderful to use. Some tabs and journal cards, and some cute ephemera. I love these. Next in the lineup, if you are a fan of journal covers, this is an optional journal cover for you to make a journal, and these are the double pages that can fill it if you would like. Some of them are a little bit more complex with some items in the background. Some just have plain paper in the background. I love the kind of like vintage edge around these. I think it just makes for a perfect finished look if that's what you like, but you're also welcome to just create your own journal. And these are just great to use either way. I love them a ton. In this kit, there are 3 different envelopes, and I try to put lots of things on the edges just to make it look finished, and you can use them on other projects or you can use them on the envelopes. Next up, we have a ton of pocket variants, and there's also like journal cards that can go inside, and they look super cute if you cut out that little window that you saw. These are stacked pockets, but you can also just use them by themselves, with lots of like little tidbits and tags to go inside. And then these are just like the classic pockets and great to use if you need a little bit of extra room to stuff something in. And we made sure this time around to add lots of sizes of tags. So you have really small ones, medium ones, all the sizes, large ones, those are the large ones, and tons of different designs. Some are super plain and ready to be embellished. And as you saw earlier, some have a little bit more of the patterns to them. And on to one of my favorite parts of the release are the fussy cuts. And these ones, we have some really simple ones, clocks, flowers. We have, I don't know if these are really fussy cuts, but definitions, and some fancy blank labels. We also do have a mini project, and these are the pages for that. Guys, you do not have to make the mini project with us. It's just a little folio. It's super cute. But you can use these elements by themselves, or you can print them and make the mini project with us, and we will link that tutorial. Okay guys, I know that was a quick video, but please take a look at this kit. It is so cute. Again, you can subscribe at pinkmonarchprints.com, or you can just buy the kit separate. We'll have all of that stuff linked in the description of this video. Feel free to check it out. I'm super excited to create with this kit, and again, you can do a lot with this kit. You can add your own elements or use what you already have in the kit. It's going to be a super fun month. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!